This isn't just an ordinary day, it's a statement. Eddie doesn't wake up seeking comfort, he wakes up pursuing greatness. While the world is still asleep, he's already engaged in a struggle against his own limits, developing strength that goes beyond mere muscle. Every repetition Eddie performs has a purpose. Each drop of sweat serves as a reminder that discipline triumphs over motivation when motivation wanes. The weights don't deceive, and Eddie pays attention to them every day, gaining lessons in patience, pain, and perseverance. In the gym, he's not in competition with others. He's fighting against the version of himself from yesterday. The fatigue, the burn, the self-doubt, they all urge him to quit. Eddie responds with one more rep, one more set, one more step forward.